you developed quite a lot of recent. You mean that Flutter you have developed quite a lot of recent Flutter app. So,
Yeah, yeah.
which part are you involved in? And only develop the Flutter application itself, or do you actually also involved in building the API from the backend?
Yes, sir. Complete means basically I am working with front end.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, the backend team is different as means with PHP API is integrated by them, and then it is means fetched using the REST API use in the Flutter that I am doing. Basically, I am means into the front end development.
All right, only front end. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So aside from Flutter, do you have knowledge in probably a native mobile technology like iOS, Swift, or in Android?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So okay, Johnny, you may actually take over the session.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good morning. My name is Johnny. Currently, I'm a software engineer at
Yeah.
TCS. Yeah. And yeah, I'm glad to know you, and also yeah, so happy when we are together in this interview meeting. So yeah, I'm
Yes,
seeing
sir.
that looking on your CV, I'm seeing that you have experience on Flutter, React Native, and also Android development and iOS development.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, okay, let me share my screen first, and I will focus on the technical question.
Okay.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, my some first question relates to the Android development. So, currently, do you have any application using the native Android?
Native Android, yes, sir. Even e-commerce applications
E-commerce,
and
right?
me. Yeah.
Uh, so,
E-commerce application is there, and means attendance-based application is there. I
so,
have developed it. There means 2 or 3 projects are there into native application also.
okay, could you please share me the project design pattern, also the main purpose, and also the how did you implement into this application? I mean the e-commerce application.
E-commerce, I will share you the means project details and I will
Yeah.
mail you.
Can you show us the detail or the code? Because I want to focus and I want to take a look a little bit on your project to make sure that uh, we can have some question related to this to your project.
Projects are detailed. It is submitted into means the company laptop, means company GitHub ID, and that access I am not having.
Okay. So could you please explain why you are using the MVVM into the Android development? I mean the application.
MVVM MVVM is basically used for the business model application. Basically, here view model it is there, and here we are means dealing with all the specifications there inside the means the programming for the business model as how the model will be there and how it will be called inside the view and what will be the view model that is described it there means complete elaboration is there than compared to MVC. MVC is generally means model model view controller, and it is basically not used in the business purpose. So means MVVM is preferred.
Yeah, and I'm seeing that you are using a React programming. So what does it mean? And also, can you explain me how can you implement the React programming in your project?
React programming means React Native. If you are implementing it inside your program, it helps to share with programming with Facebook. Facebook means integration is there, and means here in order to means do the React Native programming, you have to do little bit means environment changing inside your laptop in order to means get the code readily visible, and means having it means more adaptable to the system, and the means get the screens accordingly.
Okay, sorry, but yeah, I'm talking about the reactive programming, like the React Kotlin and also React Java and also reactive Android. Yeah, not the React Native, not yet.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm talking about the reactive programming. So how did you implement your project, and what does it mean, and also what is different between thread and also the multiple threading, for example, like this?
Basically, React means React in Android side, it is implemented into means JavaScript, and here we are calling everything inside the class, and means string thread are used. And talking about the means iOS side, it is used with Swift, where you have to call the means threading. Threading means string and thread as per the views, and means as per the views of the output what you require it there, that is there.
Okay. Okay, back a little bit on Flare development. Okay, I'm seeing that. Okay, what is the design project design pattern are you using for the Flutter?
Currently, yeah, Flutter.
Yeah. But I mean the project design pattern for your project, for Flutter project. What is the project design pattern? I mean the project architect design. I mean the block provider state or
block pattern we are using.
Yeah, you
currently.
are using block. Yeah, right.
Block pattern architecture.
Okay. Do you have any experience about the GetX?
Yes, sir. GetX is basically used where I mean in order to means get the detail about means detail about the means a specific function that is means moving in the means current specification, and we are means describing it inside the pub YML file, and then calling it inside the program. There we are getting the means detail about the means the flow of the state management is quite easy using the getX function.
Yeah.
And means navigation is also very means friendly, and yeah, the programming get little bit shorter than compared to other architectures.
Yeah. But why you not moving to the GetX and you are trying to use the block, because what is different, and also what is better from block between the block and also the GetX?
Can you repeat it, sir?
I mean do you have any comparison about between the block and also GetX, and why you are using the block instead of use the GetX?
GetX and block pattern.
Yeah.
Block pattern is basically basically used where in order to means get the state means state changing using the one means single strings by means calling it one string inside the program regularly for your changes. And talking about the getx we are directly using the getx state management for the means state navigations for the means getting the dependencies and the means the route management is there.
Yeah, okay.
That
Okay, got it. Our company, our TCS, that our Tân Châu Motor Holding, I mean the corporation. So we are the main measure is related to the car service and also car service. So if we have any e-commerce project like related to this car and we assign this project to you, and how did you manage and how did you init the base project for this e-commerce project? Could you share me a little bit information how can you init the base project and and collect
car booking application, sir.
yeah.
The car booking application what we have implemented, it is means a token based application. Here we are first generating the API using the means PHP development. There with PHP development the Firebase is used in order to means get the tokens for the means payment and the means driver selections and the means where from where to where you are going. That token is generated by PHP, and the means the front end part is done using the means Flutter. And here RESTful API, by using the RESTful API we are integrating it, and means screens are means generated according to the means client requirement. And the means the payment giving there are various tokens for means firstly the client has to enter that their means from where to where he will go. Then the list of driver application will come that these are driver available. And when you click the driver according to your suit, that means OTP OTP would be sent to your mobile phone, and the driver will get also the OTP. And that means the after means finalizing the trip, there means the OTP has to be means filled up, and then the process moves forward after the payment and all.
Yeah. And also
here by using the Google Map also is implemented here. And the means the Google Map with navigations, and the normal means mobile GPS is only used, not means any other GPS.
Okay, got it. So previously, did you hear about the logistic?
What, sir?
The logistic. Currently, sorry. Just skip it. So my question is, do you have experience about the Flutter website?
Flutter web, yes, sir, having it.
Yeah, you have and you have experience to implement the Flutter on web, right?
Sir.
Because for example, my real example is currently we have a dashboard screen here, And also inside this
Okay.
dashboard screen, we have a lot of function here, and we want to implement this on dashboard by Flutter. I mean, we will use
Yeah, yeah.
Flutter for both the mobile side and also the website. So and
Yeah, yeah, yes,
we use
sir.
the Firebase
Means
data.
here in order to means do the application for the means car booking, we have
Yeah,
to develop three applications. So one will be the desktop application.
yeah,
One will be the means user part, and
yes,
other will be the driver part.
yes, correct. So I mean I will focus on the real sample now. So for example, this is the dashboard screen. So could you tell me from your web experience and also the Flutter experience, how can you implement this dashboard screen? I mean the left menu here and also the dashboard here, and yeah, something like this. Just the basic yeah, basic sharing, because I want to get your knowledge from yeah, a little bit from your experience.
Implementing for into means Flutter web application. It is means you are means directly once we are implementing it into Dart, we are calling all the
Mm.
programmings and the screens. That is means implemented firstly into Android. Secondly, integration with means integrate. Firstly, integrating with the means Android manifest file and all. Then it will be integrated with the Android,
Mm.
and with XML code implementation and get means Xcode generation. Then we are implementing into iOS, and talking about the means web part. Web is web implementation. It is by there inside the means Flutter builder only. Here you are means just enabling it using the means means Flutter development only. Inside the app, there Flutter channel would be allocated, and means CD map you have to do it, and then run it inside the Chrome and build the web. There only we have to specify it.
Mm. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, one more question on mobile. Okay, this is the web
Okay.
page. Also, we have two mobile application here. The one application is for the tracker. Tracker is mean the for as mean for the user for tracker the order an order, and also some other information here.
Okay.
So and also the delivery application here. I think it's it's not hard to implement, right? So let me check a little bit. So how can you implement the real time tracking? For example, you deliver an one item for the customer, right? So how can the customer tracking the order, and also how can the admin check if order send user receive the item or not?
A user means the generation of OTP will be there.
Mm.
That is basically implemented here.
Mm.
The means once your means booking is done,
Yes.
and the means driver is allotted,
Mm.
means you have chosen it. The token will be generated on both the side, the
Mm.
driver and the means the user side.
Mm.
Means you have to firstly select it, and driver will also select it. Then means the token would be confirmed, and then the tracking would be done using the Firebase cloud. The means backend team does it,
Mm.
and if you are implementing the RESTful API, then the backend team will be do it. And if you are implementing directly the Firebase into the means Flutter, then we have to implement it directly into the Flutter, into the Firebase and Firebase Cloud. Through that, you are means implementing it with the Geo means Google Map, and then the tracking is done with their mobile application, that where the parcel is going, and after the OTP means generated for the payment, when the payment is done and the OTP is confirmed from the means driver side, and basically the user will tell the OTP pin generated, that the driver has to means fill it inside his means mobile phone. Then the OTP will be confirmed, and then the final delivery is done. That would be means informed inside the means programming, and then we are confirmed that the delivery is done and payment is given.
Okay, got it. So we can use the scan
Hello.
barcodes to.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for your sharing. So
Yeah.
we can also use the barcodes for scan. Okay. Hey John. Yeah, that's all from my side. So
Yeah.
you can
All right.
continue. Yeah.
So
Okay.
our session is only 30 minutes, so we're about to end. So now we will go into Q&A session. So do you have any questions for us, or regarding our? Yeah. All
Which
right.
type of application you are currently seeing, and what type of project you are building?
As we mentioned before, we are related to what do you call the automotive business. So our applications is related to automotive business, and also spare part services. So there are things like delivery management systems, and we have service booking systems, as well as we have a sales advisor applications. Yeah.
Okay, and sir, you are developing your own product or a service?
We are building our own product from scratch.
Okay, sir. That's it only from my side.
If that's all, I think we can call an end to these sessions. Thank you for participating.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Nice
everyone.
talking to you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.